Starting this morning, anyone in Kansas will be required to wear masks in public in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Governor Laura Kelly signed an order requiring anybody to wear a mask in a public space. That includes the workplace. Order also extends to outdoor spaces where social distancing of 6 feet can't be maintained. Anyone who ignores the mask requirement could be fined up to $2,500. There are exceptions, though, for kids 5 and under, those with a health condition or disability that prevents wearing a mask, anyone who's deaf or hard of hearing, and anyone seated at a table in a restaurant. Governor says without people taking action to curb the spread, schools may not be able to reopen in August. What's interesting about this order is that it gives counties the ability to opt out. They could follow it or not. The Johnson County Board of Commissioners met for hours yesterday before ultimately voting 4-2 to follow the plan requiring mask use. Kansas State Attorney General says he will defer to local authorities when it comes to handling mask violations. Johnson County DA, meanwhile, says the focus there will be on education, not necessarily enforcement. So we'll see what that means going forward. On Monday, we do know a special hotline will be set up to answer questions and receive complaints from the public. Over in Douglas County, health officials today are ordering all bars closed down as a result of a spike of COVID cases. Last week, they traced an outbreak back to a popular bar, the Hawk, in Lawrence. Closures, we're told, will last for the next 2 weeks before they look at the numbers, reevaluate. Masks, by the way, are now required in public in Douglas County as well. Other cities and counties in the metro with active mask mandates include Kansas City, Missouri, North Kansas City, and Jackson and Wyandotte counties. Of course, as we're seeing this town to town, county to county, the rules vary. The principle's the same. Usually have to wear a mask in any public space or social distancing is difficult. These mandates have some exceptions, so check with your local authorities, City Hall, county legislature to see if they apply to you. Mayor of Lee Summit just announced he tested positive for COVID-19. Bill Baird said he didn't have some of the usual symptoms like fever or headache, and he has this message to share.
Hey, take care of yourself. Take inventory of yourself. Don't just think it's allergies. Try to pay attention to how your body's feeling and such.
Mayor says he's also glad he'd been wearing a mask to protect others before he knew he was carrying the virus.